Hi, and back here we are. We're inside the property now. This is again a 1930s style property. It's dated. Not a lot has been done to it at all. There's some really nice features of this property that's going to help us when we resell it. It's overlooking a golf course. It's in a very nice area. And this is quite a sought after area. So I'm just walking you through. So what we've got is entrance hallway here, a traditional staircase, and here's with the first evidence of a little bit of dampness. Now interestingly, this is an internal wall, so it's strange to have this dampness here. So there's clearly a lot of moisture inside the property. People would see this as rising damp. It's because the older property is a cavity wall with no insulation, you will get a build-up of condensation over the years. So a typical gas fire bay window, and we're looking to replace these windows because when the property is finished, I believe that those windows are going to be out of keeping with what I've got planned to bring this property up to a modern standard. We've started taking the kitchen out, and this here is the rear lounge. Large bay window here, and I will show you from upstairs in a few minutes why that window is there. We've got a clearer view later on. Now we have got some damp issues along this wall, and this is because this wall here is single skin, and you can see the wallpaper peeling off. Now the plan here is we're going to put a sliding door looking onto the garden. And then if I just spin you around, this wall here is taking you on to the kitchen. Now my plan here is to take this wall out so that we're going to make this whole room a large kitchen dining family room. You'll understand why in a second when I take you inside. Into the kitchen here. So this is an extension. You can see up there, that is the rear main wall, which has been removed, and there's been a lintel put in and a little extension put out here. So as you can see, for a very nice property, this kitchen is quite small. It's quite linear. Up this end of the kitchen, we have a cupboard here with the boiler, which we're going to move, and into this area here, we have a downstairs toilet. Now the other side of this wall is the hallway. So the plan is that we're going to put an opening in this wall and bring the access to the toilet from the hallway, and then we're going to block this doorway up. So we don't really need access to the toilet from the kitchen. This cupboard here is going to go. The boiler we're going to move over, and then hopefully my plan is going to be that that wall is going and we'll have a full open lounge family room. Now we've just come into this property. Now we're just checking, you see this extension is cavity wall, but one way of checking to see that it's not a solid wall is that we don't have headers visible in this area here. It is stretcher bond, which shows us that it is a cavity wall and not a solid wall. Okay, let's just take you upstairs a minute.